Hello everyone, in this video I will explain how we can download and install Java 17 in Windows 11. You can use any version of Java and any version of Windows, that does not matter at all. Before that I will show you that Java is not already installed on my system, so I will go to command prompt and run as an administrator, and here I will write Java version. So as you can see that it is not recognized, so this means that Java is not already installed on my system. Okay, now I will search Java 17 download or download Java 17. I will go on the first link, and here I will download through this particular link, Windows 64 installer, because mine is 64-bit. So just click on this and the download will start. So this is in progress, as you can see here. So this is completed. Now we will go to the folder where it is downloaded. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to just double click on it, click on yes, click on next, click on next. Okay, so this is completed. Now we need to set the path. So for that, what we need to do is we just need to go to this PC and go to program files. Here we can see Java is there. Go inside this, go inside bean, and just copy the path till this. So just click on it, and here the path is. So we can copy this path. So I am copying this, and now I have to go to environment variables. So for this, there are two options. You can directly search environment variables, or what you can do is you can go to control panel, and here you can select, you can type just simply env, and it will show. So the best option is to add the path in the system variable. That's what I usually do. That is the best thing. So just go to edit the system and then click on environment variables, and in the second box, the system variables. So inside that, just see there is an option with path, right? So just edit it, and you can, and then click on new and just paste that path here. Click on OK, click on OK, click on OK, and you can close it now. Now again check. So as you can see that Java version is now showing up. So this means that Java is now installed on my system. So this is how you can download and install Java. So please like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.